The size of that for comparison, wow. Collection of stuff here. We have some Sarson's vinegar, tables and chairs. Many different foods available here on all of the menus. You can see it's very, very busy here. The TT money exchange there in the yellow. Good evening from Pattaya, Thailand. So I'm currently sat here at a restaurant called the Golden Ferret, which is where I'm going to start tonight's video. I'm going to have my dinner here. I've seen on the menu earlier in the day they've got fish chips and mushy peas, so I'm going to try that as I do love fish and chips. I think it's a little bit of a specialty here at this restaurant. The owner is actually Western, so I'm expecting pretty good fish and chips. It's on a street called I think it's Soy New Plaza, I think the owner told me. It's just off Second Road. It's sort of sandwiched in between Second Road and Soy Bacau. So only a relatively small restaurant, so I'm going to order my food here. I'm going to give you a little bit of a showing inside of the restaurant as well, show you a little bit of the menu. I'm not going to show all of the menu, and then what we're going to do after is I'm going to give you my thoughts on the food, and then we're just going to take a street stroll in this area and just give you some idea of what else is available in and around the Golden Ferret here in Pattaya. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and have dinner at the Golden Ferret and then take a street stroll here in Pattaya. So this is a restaurant I'm going to be eating at, the Golden Ferret Restaurant and Golf Society. A collection of outside seating. Show you inside as well. Inside seating area. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to be having the haddock, fish and chips and mushy peas. I think it should say haddock. I just ordered a water only. Some of the breakfast, mega set $2.50. Regular set $1.90. Small set. There's some of the other main courses, chicken steak, chicken salad here. A mixed grill as well. $3.95. It's not too badly priced for a mixed grill. Lamb chops. Steak sirloin. Okay, so here's my fish chips and mushy peas here at the Golden Ferret. Chips look a bit well done. This is what a fried rice with squid looks like. Also omelette on the top. Pieces of squid in there. So I have a nice little collection of stuff here. We have some Sarson's vinegar. I'm going to put some of that, of course, on the fish. I haven't seen this, only in England. We do actually have HP sauce, but that's not for fish and chips. And we also have Heinz tomato sauce. Ooh la la, wow. And some of that as well. I'm not sure what this is. We'll try some of that as well. Fork wrapped in me little tissue. It's a big piece of fish, this. Look at the size of that for comparison, wow. Let's give it a go now. Must admit the chips do look a bit overcooked. Wow, I haven't had mushy peas since England. Some of the white sauce on this one, and we'll try it with the tomato. Put one of the chips on there. Oh wow. So the fish is haddock, but it's super fresh. Yeah, that's good. Try a little bit with the oh, I didn't see that there. It's hidden under my fish. Actually have a lemon as well. Have a little bit of everything on here. Right, so we're trying the fish with the tomato sauce this time. One of the chips again, some of the mushy peas. Yeah, that's nice. The mushy peas are a little bit dry for my liking, but the fish is good. Okay, so I've just finished my food here at the Golden Ferret, the fish chips and mushy peas, and just had the water for a drink because I've been drinking far too many of those fizzy drinks. Now the fish chips and peas was exceptionally good, nice battered fish there. The chips for me were a little bit overcooked. I just spoke to the manager and expressed my opinion on the chips and saying they seemed a little bit burnt. He was explaining to me the process that they have to go to. He said sometimes that they have to cook them twice or something. And then the mushy peas probably were a little bit dry also. The haddock fish, he's told me, is imported fish. I'm not sure whether it's imported from the UK or somewhere else, but he says it's an imported fish. But all in all, pleasantly surprised. It was a really, really nice tasting fish chips and mushy peas here at the Golden Ferret. Okay, so just coming out of the Golden Ferret now, we're going to take a little bit of a street stroll. There's actually a few bars and things down the street itself there. Another restaurant just next door here as well. Not as busy as the Golden Ferret. Customers in there. And then here we are, we're on Second Road here. Risa Massage and Spa, 7-Eleven. Lots of massage and spa here. We have Bistro Wine Cafe. A few Western tourists there. All day. Another one here, Hoi Di. And busy inside there, Western tourists. Have a TT money exchange there in the yellow. Big grand looking hotel here. Not sure what this is, maybe the name's on the front. We'll just get the name of this, and then I think best to cut across on the other side of the street. Oh, it's the Caesars. Oh, yeah, Caesar Palace. Big building there as well. We'll go and cut across onto the other side of the street. Top House Health Massage. Bike rental here. Girls there. Place called Top House Health Massage, that one. Indian restaurant here. Oh, and then we're going to cut back across. We have a big night market here. Wow, this looks interesting. Just got across the street here. And many restaurants in here. Not super busy though. A good collection of food places in here. Wow. Hello. Some tables and chairs. Many different foods available here on all of the menus. Coconuts, juice drinks available here. One with pizza over here. Interesting. Goes right back down here. More here. And many food. Just walking up, we have Central Cocktail, beer and coffee also. All of the fresh fish, meats and things here. Juice drinks, mango sticky rice. Now we're back on the street, so here's the Central Pattaya shopping mall. So I've already taken you from the street, heading in that direction. So So this is what a TT money exchange looks like. This is the best place to exchange money. I have a little sushi train restaurant here. Just take you to the window just so we can have a look in there. The sushi train's going round there. Nothing really on this side of the street. Not sure whether this is another hotel here. I think it's some kind of hotel. Somerset Pattaya, it says there. Grand looking hotel. And then there we are, we're at Central Pattaya Mall now. So watch my video if you want to see heading in that direction. I've already featured the Central Pattaya. Nice. Okay, so I've just crossed the street now onto the same side as the Central Pattaya, just to show you this again. I have just featured this in a video. You can see it's very, very busy here. Lots of food places here. Collection of tables and chairs. There's the entrance into the mall there.